All right, go.
Hey, is this Ryan? Ryan
Yeah,
Pineda?
what's up, man?
Hey, dude, I found you on TikTok, man. Dude, I love your content, bro. You look, dude, you got some great content, man. I've been a huge fan forever. Thank you. So, Amy's my videographer. For those of you who don't know, man, my man here, Ryan, Stone Cold Killer Hustler. I mean, this guy's a serial entrepreneur. Like, in our area, he crushed it and dominated. Like, laser focus, when he wants it, game over, done.
I know. That's why we're gonna film.
Yeah. And what this guy here, when you guys talk about competition, to him, there is no competition because all he knows how to do is domination. He just dominates.
Monopoly.
Yeah, Monopoly.
Okay.
I'm thinking we just talk about wholesaling first, like 1 minute intro, who you are. Sure. Talk about what your business is like. Like we'll aim for like a 10-minute video, not like you know, quick. And then we'll talk about TikTok. I'll lead you the questions.
Perfect.
And then we'll do whatever we want after. All right.
We do what we do best, dude.
Just improvise. That's what we do.
That's right.
All right. All right, so I'm gonna intro it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Ryan Pineda Show. Today, I have a very special guest with me. Kong here with me. Dude, happy to have you.
Dude, Ryan, I want to say, hey, thank you so much, man.
Yeah. So anyways, guys, take care. Kong, you the man. Appreciate you.
Hey, thank you so much for having me on.
We'll see you guys later.
Ciao.
Dude, that was good.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Thank you so much, dude.
Yeah.
You want to go live?
Yeah.
Go live in this game? Real quick?
Yeah.
Do you have to go somewhere long?
We gotta film that TikTok too, dude.
Yeah, we should. Oh, hey!
Hold on. I gotta switch, dude. So I got spotted by a fan. Check this out. Hold on, dude. I gotta switch, man. All right, go.
Hey, is this Ryan? Ryan
Yeah, what's
Pineda?
up, man?
Hey, dude, I found you on TikTok, man. Dude, I love your content, bro. You look, dude, you got some great content, man. I've been a huge fan forever.
We gotta do it one more time.
One more time? This is Ryan?
What's up, man?
Ryan Pineda?
That's me.
From TikTok?
Yep.
Dude, I'm a huge fan, bro. Dude, can I get a picture with you, man?
No.
Dude, I ain't got no $20, man, but I got $1. Would that work, man?
Yeah.
Are you guys going?
So I got spotted by a fan. Check this out. What's up, man? That's me.
TikTok?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm a huge fan, bro. Dude, can I get a picture with you, man?
No.
How about a signature?
No.
Oh, come on.
$20. I'll do it.
Dude, I ain't got no $20, man, but I got $1.
He's an idiot.
Oh, check this out. We're almost at 100,000. Right there. What, 30? Yeah, about 30 away. That was a bad decision of the little tractor boy, though. That was so much, sir. Thank you. Take care.
All right.
Oh, hello. Okay.
So I was 5 years old.
Early 2000s hip hop. Some of these are almost 20 years old. Do you know which ones? Have fun.
What I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, I'm going crazy over you. Of course I know this.
Okay, I'm gonna send it to Ryan. Boom!
Okay, let's go talk to Ryan.
100 subscriber, baby.
Shout out later, right, Ann?
Show me the money. Thanks, you guys. You guys are the bomb.